Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to track your order on TikTok Shop. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I am in this website where I found a guide that perfectly explained everything about placing your order and tracking your order. How to place your order, whether through an in-video product listing, the shop tab, or a live shopping event, TikTok's integrated in-app checkout features is an easy peasy way to get your favorite haul item. When you see an item featured in the bottom part of a TikTok video content, or you're browsing in a specific seller's TikTok shop, you just click the Buy Now button. On this page, you will be asked to fill your complete address and choose from variant and quantity of order. You will also be given the option to leave a note in case you have additional specific requests. What to do with your product. This can work well if your seller offers customizations, such as name engraving or a choice materials, for the finished product. Afterward, you can now choose your preferred payment option, which is extensive by the way. After settling your payment, you just click checkout and wait for the seller's response. Once your order is confirmed, it will now undergo the picking and packing process. Your seller will now proceed with handing it to the third party logistics provider, which can either be enlisted by TikTok or the one preferred by the seller. Don't worry though, in every step of the delivery process, TikTok will be providing you with information on which stage the delivery is in. How to track your orders. As soon as you place your order in the TikTok shop, it will undergo a process of fulfillment with many different steps. But TikTok provides you with a real-time delivery status report. If your item is in stock, your order will be confirmed by the seller, which will jumpstart the picking and packing process. Once the packages have been handled to the third-party provider through TikTok Shop and another 3PL provider of the seller choice, they will be marked as shipped. TikTok also provides you with an order tracking number, which you can use as a reference in case you have queries. As the exact location of the delivery, you can view the updates on your order's delivery status via Manage Orders panel on your Shop tab. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.